And just like that, guys, another day is here for the stock market. It's about 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and we have a mixed bag across the board when it comes to the indexes. The Russell's down 0.75% as the Dow's down 0.5%, but the S&P's up 0.25%, and we have QQQ up 0.3%. So, guys, you know the drill. We're going to break down the indexes, stocks I'm looking at. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And, of course, get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. And you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks. The clock's ticking. You have, I think, 3 more days to do this. Get on it. And now, cheers. Let's get into it. So, like I said, guys, it's about 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and it is a pretty mixed bag across the board. We have some red in the Russell, some red in the Dow, which, mind you, both of those, funny enough, hit all-time highs yesterday, so we're getting a bit of a pullback in the Dow stocks, the small caps, and we're pushing in QQQ and SPY, which yesterday did not hit all-time highs, right? You guys can see here on the 5-day, 5-minute. Yesterday, we hit $600 in the morning on SPY. Then we pulled down for the rest of the day. Now it looks like we're kind of consolidating, trying to get back to 600 points here on SPY. Overall, we're about $1, $2 away from all-time highs. We're right there on SPY, while Triple Q, if I pull this up, guys, is about $8 away from all-time highs. And if I pull up the $5, or not the $5, the 5-day chart, yesterday we hit 511. Now we're about $3 under that. Overall, we're still kind of consolidating over the last 1-2 days of trading. So directionally, guys, obviously QQQ's bullish. I mean, we broke out of this channel a couple of days ago. We're still above the moving averages. This still looks really good. All-time highs could hit tomorrow, and I'd believe you, right, if you told me that's going to happen. And SPY's right there. This could hit all-time highs today for all we know. So, yeah, we're still looking really good across the board with the Russell getting a much-needed little pullback here after hitting all-time highs yesterday. You guys can see here, healthy pullback on the Russell. You see that. And on the Dow as well. Let me pull the Dow. We hit 44,800 yesterday. Now we're down to 44,500, 550 actually, and it's a healthy pullback. Charts still look really good in the Bulls' favor. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments about the indexes here. Pretty mixed bag, but still, obviously, the Bulls are dominating overall. And as for stocks, guys, GameStop, what is going on here, man? GameStop has slowly been creeping into earnings. And is it time for a big move here? It might be. It looks like here we filled the gap from around, $25 all the way to about $29, $30, which, by the way, we called it out. You guys probably remember that. We called out this overall breakout here. We filled the gap. Now we're taking out the highs from the middle of July. And now we're pushing over $30 for the first time, I think, since the middle of June. So we're talking, 5 months ago? GME's really moving in the right direction right now. Heading into earnings, which are on, let me give you guys the exact date, the 4th of December. So that is next week, whatever day that is. Keep your eyes on GME's earnings. Although they're not really, the stock doesn't move too much on the fundamentals, I guess, unless it is a big piece of news, groundbreaking news. But either way, we're still watching the earnings on GME. We're breaking out to a 5-month high pretty much on the stock. very good move there. Amazon is also looking interesting, which, by the way, we called this out. I actually sent this out in my email, which I sent to over 1,400 people. It's free, by the way. I sent out that email yesterday, and guys, you got to join the email list. It's in the description box. Again, it's free. Every Monday, I'm sending out my top 3 stocks for the week right to your email, guys. Check it out. Join if you want to. Again, it's free. We called it out, and now we're up to 206, guys. We saw a pull down last week on Amazon to about 196. We kind of popped a little bit yesterday to about 198, 200, and now we're really breaking out. Now we're above the 50 SMA. Clearly, we're bouncing above the 180 SMA. Uptrends continuing. We're breaking out of this wedge that we were in. If I remove this drawing and redraw it, you guys can see clearly we're breaking out of this wedge. Very good news. Also, we're taking out the highs from, let's see here, 202. We hit that high back in July, early July. So, yeah, we're breaking out of there. AMZN is looking amazing. Amazon is looking amazing right now, guys, on the charts. And all-time highs, who knows, could be right around the corner. So that is AMZN. Let's see, what else is moving today? Looks like the Chinese stocks, or at least one of them, JD. JD's moving a little bit, creeping up over 2%. Still very beaten down from where it was about a month and a half ago, where we saw the Chinese stocks go berserk, right? You guys remember that. So it's cooled off a lot. Now I'm kind of just keeping an eye on it to see if it rallies again. You know, looks like we kind of are potentially putting in a bottom here. We hit about, 33.50 middle of November. Now it's the end of November. We're at $35. You know, we're putting in maybe a double bottom here on the 4-hour chart. Do you guys kind of see that? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But JD.com looks interesting. If we really start to break towards the high 30s, that's going to be in play. In my opinion there, let's see what else. And by the way, guys, run those likes up. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. I can taste it, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you all, as always. Cheers for all the support. Let's see what else is moving here, guys. Looks like we have Microsoft moving a little bit. Not bad. Chart still looks a bit wonky. Looks like we do have a wedge overall here on MSFT, and now actually we're at the top of the wedge, so this potentially could be the breakout spot on MSFT. I think if we start taking out, let's say 430, which was the high from around a couple weeks ago, I'll set my alert there. If we're able to get out of 430 on MSFT, we break the wedge here. This could start making a move. 445 initially, which was the high from right before earnings. That was at the end of last month, about a month ago. And also we hit about 445 in the middle of September. So if we break 430, guys, I'm telling you, this gap right here on MSFT could, keyword is could, not guaranteed, but it could fill right there. Nice $15 per share move. Not bad. Pretty good in my opinion. So let's do one more. Tesla. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about Tesla. Oh my God, it's selling off, this, that. So I do think it's a bit overbought overall in the grand scheme of things. We covered that in my video on Saturday. And it looks like yesterday we had a big sell-off. Go figure. We went from 363 all the way down to about 330 in the aftermarket. So we were down about, 8-9% on TSLA. And then we consolidated a bit. Looks like a little bit in the aftermarket, pre-market today. Now we're starting to pop. You guys see we're starting to pop again. We hit around 345 intraday today so far. If I zoom in a little bit here on the 20-day, maybe I'll pull up the 10-day. You guys can see we're pretty much consolidating pretty steady above 330. So the fact that, we got a healthy pullback yesterday all the way down to 330. We held it in the aftermarket yesterday, pre-market today. Now we're bouncing off of it. that's a sign that maybe Tesla wants to go back up to test 350, 360, maybe fill this gap right here. So keep your eyes on it there. But the second this thing breaks under 330, guys, I'll set my alert just cause, why not? If we break 330, the second we do that, if we do that, this could start slipping easily, in my opinion, to $300. No doubt, low 300s. This gap right here could fill. We were just at 300 not long ago, literally 10 days ago, guys. So yeah, as of now, we're holding 330. Bulls look decent. Maybe we make a move back to 350, 360, but the second we take 330 out, boom, gap could fill down to 300. Keep that in mind. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, of course, hit the like button. Let me know any stocks you want me to cover in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. You might as well do that. It is very, very important. And if you want some free stocks, who doesn't like free stocks? Check out the link down below from Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. Literally $30 for free, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below. There's 3 more days to do it. Clock's ticking. Or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your free money. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.